When you say nothing, we are not big do.
Mommy, once again, you're welcome. So far, what are your plans?
Doctor, we didn't cut that joint. I say,
I believe you are not being forced to come and do it. If you're okay, so be it. Fine, so fun. If you are called 3 weeks in me, let's make us say, I say in your neck. It is a major system with an accident.
Touch of one, the nanny plans, what else?
I'm not doing too much. I do not wish to be a professional job. What can I tell? We okay? We're prepared. We're back here. Office camera. Anyway. Jim Boot. So free in a man. When you're facing?
30 years, August,
so no, you're 29. In case you're winding me for attach. I said you're real wedding. Jim Boot. What they push why? Put it away and you know my size. May I apply you? Why? Say begin to alright, and the young theater now, maybe I need to do. Don't worry, they're pushing. I love my profession. Young for them, young say. Oh, meaning one common as a coming, best I can mean this uncle. A dear common animal. Oh, one can say I have some one. One woman, yes, I did it. One can find a tower to a yard that was oh, yes, Namini Paladin come on, not in the Canava say, what my family like? The music person coming in Duncan with Tika, about one I care. Oh, can't I come to my country? Can't you walk? Really? Sister, if I say, I done a person. What I make us know my boy. Oh, and why is not by fence? Electricians will be a big oh. And the my cry yourself as a way I know. Balcony yet. And the papa, oh. What's on? Oh, can't you walk? Oh, dear, can't you come on? Oh, dear, can't I also make a Papa, oh, dear, Cassa. And he said, I make anti. I'm so my way, and I hear best say. And the other toy and for a baby, come, ever so much so come, and he. And so, you make a say to the way. I can't walk out here. Come back now, cry. Ah, That makes some more wire than the way to the hand. It's not come back too much as almost wire to go. Or messing like you would. Or missing mount for pa, yes, and Petra. What on wire, son? Then you mean what is the are you a latress? I know, yes, papa. And then I put our swap. For one so good. Oh, then Mr. For one so good. For one so good. Hey! Mr. For one so good. Oh, we are not put some baby. But to feel for no more hard, I know my rights. Papa, I had your right as a papa. I had your left. But when your high left to let's go. When you mean it, Papa, Mr. Minion, but if I was a booty, but if I was a booty. What can I say? Jose, be that question or may you feel a better bedroom of Papa, Mr.
I'll say okay, dear. Are you ready for it? That's okay, thank you. That is my job. Are you ready? Congratulations. It's time for the push. It's time for the push. I hope you're ready for the push.
Now then, what be seen a woman as a
never knew it.
and never been any. Oh, Nasaba, Assassin. At least when a bear man at here, so when you want. I could get a command and your fingers. Now, when I am in you, sour, dear, and your fit.
Now, me this yapis.
You are lying. So far, so good. I thank God.
Now, I didn't know that Yamias.
No, many say,
only men you know that Yamias. Men never know Yamias.
Master Menonium. A man may be in it, me know about a man. Yamia Brunas and Menoa Dana one more. I said, "Can we be not washing white? May you are ye, oh, yeah, me, may you are ye, not out on number. Because only in the pan, I am now.
He said, I feel like maybe soon. No more bunny medical.
But I'm a pebble. I need a baby. Wouldn't say a pen I will be soon, my best send out press at least only baby.
And uncle.
About I'm in Casimintro. You will fear you move and you will fear you move. If you were in your move, Meme Bow. I didn't know what your person will be doctor. I am going to woody and try that.
Grown a meeting.
And Meme Bow. We are
ready my intimate for Bunny Medical. I don't know how many.
Rich me bow.
And I'm you. And I'm you. And I'm a cry, hammy.
Meme person me how. Debut now, what by another. What sorry I know about Begina, who cannot be this can now, no one names it. Who be Sheduma? Okay, we do Mamma Casimiro. Apalano. I dear Mr. Wadi say, Adriani obey dear copy to obey in the nation in the people, and your wasn't.
I was Miss Obama, meaning my wood.
It's in the crowd of converse.
Woman, I
Dabby, I said the one more, and I said, we are man or much. Or I was a bama, and no one knows about this couple. Who hears catch them and funny some.
That bane on my side will be.
Oh, and you judge all come, won't you enter me? Now, what do you say? Meme no mamma Dana will cook when you catch them, so maybe most can of
Maybe I should make
them no yale. Oh, so we can say now I'm not strong to perform an engineer. So what try at the best you know? Who
put me a machine? Make put me a machine.
What do you call?
May
Draconowy.
Put me a machine.
Who are come
I make catch and Pamela and them to buy Pamela. Miniped Biamobanonia baby, I know. And it's not my dear Bahasino. Miniped Biamobonia baby, Anna.
Quite nice, I will grow in a baby die for.
That's
all.
Mr. Minya.
So wouldn't you know,
Minya.
What I meet me, you know, I don't go back here. And try to do. You believe because it's behind the scene. This is behind the scene. I'll copy the whole. You can't force me into a relationship which I don't like. What is this?
Why all this noise?
Why won't I make noise?
This is a conversation between two mature people. Why do you want everybody to hear?
And I'm not ready to buy it.
Doctor, please. Please humor me. I like the way you pushed the other time. I want you to keep on pushing.
I believe you know very well it was out of job that I made it.
I know, but I want us to miss business with pleasure.
With all due respect, I'm not into that. I'm here for business. I only do that when you are pregnant.
I'm one lady who doesn't go all out and tell a man I don't love him, but I do love him.
You mentioned the way I approached you, it was okay, but
It was nice. Now you made it.
you love this woman, right? You did love this woman, right?
Yeah, I did.
I'm so sorry I can't do it because I respect the job I do. So with all due respect, can you please leave from my premises?
Doctor, please make an exception. Let's just go back inside. Push it again, please.
Are you telling me you're going to pay me for me to push you?
Yeah, let me, if it comes to that, I can pay.
In other words, it means I don't respect myself and I respect the job I do per se. You're telling me you're going to pay me for me to push you. I'm not here to be pushing.
No, but you said it was because of your job that you did.
Very well.
So you were in for the money. I'm willing to pay.
And you're not pregnant too. So what then do I do that?
For all you know, I'm pregnant.
I'm so sorry. Please, I beg you. I don't. You are crossing the boundary, please, with all due respect. Leave from my premises. Can you please leave?
Look, whether you like it or not, you're going to continue pushing. I am not going to leave you.
And I was not going to do it.
Man can't just say go pushing. Go pushing, I'm not even there.
It was true that I rented. And I've done it.
Pay.
Mommy.
Then I'm a demon. This is what pushing. I said pushing.
I don't push two times.
You will do it.
I don't push
You
two
will
times.
do it.
Are you going to force me or what?
I am one person who doesn't let a man get inside there and the man will take me for granted. No. You continue pushing.
Then I'm the type of person who would always try to reject issues like that. With all due respect. Leave from my premises.
Then be ready for me to squeal on you. I'm going to snitch on you because your procedures are not professional.
Oh, wow. Look at her. She's now rather trying to broadcast me. You're trying to escalate the whole issue,
No,
right?
if persuasion feels, force must be applied.
Your forces will never buy Georgia respect, young lady, beautiful lady. Can you please walk out of my premises?
Don't let us quarrel, please. This is just a simple thing.
Madam, I'm so sorry I can't do it. I respect myself. Please, with your due respect, don't touch me. Don't touch me. How dare you push me to that level?
Let me just bring that so that you push.
Excuse me, don't respect yourself and I respect myself. There are so many people coming. Please, if you wouldn't mind, can you please leave? Take that thing off from my face.
You'll still push. Otherwise, then until line has been drawn. Because me, nobody gets a taste of me. I won't take it for granted.
Oh, is that what you're saying?
Oh yeah.
Can you please leave with all due respect?
I'll come back. I will be back. Trust me. I will be back.
And my doors will never be open for you.
I said, believe me, I will be back.
Read my lips, my doors will never be open for you.
Whether you like it or not, you will be mine.
Sharamuta.
Now, son out here. Just say, me who said ya oh ni pursuit ye e wo wiase ya ba. Me yiraba. Se me baba ya me yire abortion. Ama ane ne ko room. One ne ko an me yire di esu ni tietie mu baba ka kira me say, wo pe se one ne da. Ama me ne di ebufu ofiri ha ko ofiri. Sa ane ne ko room ho no wa je ne no afre no. Afre meji. One me yire abeta. I say you insane, and this oh yeah, wine. We need to super to say.
Believe me or not, God is my witness. I don't normally talk to illiterate people like you. But I'll consider you and give you an answer to my statement.
What's happening?
I'm not insulting you, but I'm trying to prove and I will let you to know. I want you to know the kind of person you are. I don't talk illiteracy, but I'll help you. 1, 2, I never came to your wife's house to take a number. I didn't even take her number from the theater. No, I didn't do it. And have it in mind. And I don't go to people's houses and tell them to come to my hospital and get off their pregnancy. No, I don't do that. She came herself. I respect the job I do and I respect myself so much.
Na eba say first day na me yire ba ha no. Action and who show it that say wo na person wo je me yire free me say.
It tells you the first day that you got into my promises. When you were leaving, I told you you are a fool. And mark it on the wall. Your foolishness has proven that you are total a big, small, medium, and a large fool.
And to me fool ni say me ma wale. Na wo won na da.
No. Your foolishness has total brought everything together. Because I was there all of a sudden, your wife came in